Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok analytics not showing. So, if you've been trying to check your video views or engagement stats on TikTok, but your analytics page is blank, missing, or not updating, it's usually due to your account settings or a temporary server delay. So, let's begin. So, the most common reason analytics aren't showing is that your account is still set to personal. So, TikTok only provides detailed insights to professional accounts. So, to fix this, go to your profile, then tap the three lines at the top right, then tap Settings and Privacy, then go to Account, tap Account. Now, from here, if you see the option to switch to a business or creator account, select it and complete the free setup. So, your analytics tab should become available immediately. Next, if you've recently switched account types or posted a new video, your analytics may not appear right away. So, TikTok process data using coordinated universal time, and it can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours for engagement metrics to fully update. If your latest post shows no data, give it a day or two. Next is to clear cache and update the app. So, if you already have professional account and your analytics still aren't updating after a few days, the issue could be related to cache data. So go to your profile, click the three lines at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll to Free Up Space, and clear your cache. Confirm the action. After that, close TikTok and go to Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok and make sure the app is updated. So if you see an update button in here, just click on update and make sure you're using the latest version to fix any potential bugs affecting your analytics. So once updated, go ahead and open TikTok again and try and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.